not feeling well, you head to the doctor. But when your home is in need of mending, the choice may not be so clear-cut. But for one Augusta, Georgia family, they knew just who to call.
So we've been in this house 18 years now.
She started thinking about upgrading as soon as she walked into the house. I love it. I'm going to change everything.
As far as the renovations go, I really do think about how we're evolving as a family. I really wanted to have as many private bathrooms for our guests as I could and not to have to share. We found House Doctors through our neighbor. They had done some work for them and I had seen it. Ended up just feeling very comfortable with what they could do. And I like to drum up silly ideas and thoughts about the process. And they either told me,
no,
not a good idea, or they were like, oh, I kind of like that,
Yeah,
and I'll do it for you.
So it's probably one of the reasons why we keep going and using them, because it's a known person you trust and you feel very comfortable with them.
For them, making home improvements wasn't just about fixing what was broken. It was about restoration, comfort, and pride in the place they call home. And they're not alone. According to industry findings, the home improvement market is booming. This growth is driven by aging housing stock, increased remote work, and rising demand for aging-in-place modifications.
You know, having a house doctor is, I kind of enjoyed that type of a pun myself, because, you know, go to a physician, get things taken care of, same thing for them. And they kind of have a range of stuff that they can do for you depending on what you need to do, including major work and then even minor stuff that needs to be redone because you didn't do it properly.
After relying on House Doctors for 7 previous renovations, including the master bedroom, bathroom, and deck, they decided their guest bath needed a refresh and met with Mark Boyd to discuss options.
Well, good morning, Keith and Christy. Thank y'all for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
How's everybody doing?
Doing great.
So we're doing a guest bathroom for you this time. Why are we doing the bathroom at this point?
Well, it's the original bathroom in the house, and we've owned the house since '07, but it was built in '98, and tiles starting to crack. There's been a little bit of a concern of a leak from the tub, and it's dated, it's old.
Keith and Christy have been long-term customers of ours for many, many years. When we started House Doctors, we really had it on the more of the handyman side, and as we moved into larger projects and renovations and remodels, they were one of our first customers. They trust us, and we've had a great relationship with them. And the house was built in the late '90s, and we're going to move it to a more modern bathroom, take out a tub and a standard stock vanity and put in something custom for them. I think the number one thing that most customers are afraid of is not knowing the contractor, having somebody come in, do part of the work, take part of their money, and never return. But the biggest thing about House Doctors is that we're part of a national franchise that really has the support and backing of multiple franchisees. All of our work and most of the materials that we put into a home through House Doctors has a manufacturer warranty on that, but our guarantee gives another 12 months on the craftsmanship. We want all the customers in our area to trust us to do the same thing for them that we're doing for the Finchers.
From the first estimate to the final walkthrough, House Doctors brings clarity to the process, integrity to the work, and heart to the home. Back at the Finchers, the renovation has gone according to plan. Within a few weeks, their new bathroom has taken shape.
What do you think?
Oh, I mean, we just love it. I mean, it just came out so wonderfully.
Right, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, Pat.
We are really pleased with everything House Doctors has done.
And look forward for the next project, which I'm pretty sure my wife will have in the next 3 weeks.
Cha-ching.